Welcome to the 2-inch remodel round installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need a screwdriver, a hole saw, measuring tape, wire cutters, and wire nuts. The DMF products you will need include the X-Series Remodel Housing, modules, and trims. Depending on the ceiling type, the X-Series Remodel Housing will be compatible with ceiling thicknesses that range from 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches. Locate and mark the center of the desired fixture position on the ceiling. Next, cut a 3 1/4 inch or 83 mm opening in the ceiling. We recommend using a hole saw to avoid overcutting. As this is a non-IC rated fixture, ensure any insulation is at least 6 inches away from this opening. Insert the housing collar into the opening until it is flush with the ceiling. Push one of the spring clips outwards until a click is heard and it is properly engaged. Repeat this step for the remaining spring clips. Feed the electrical wires through the ceiling opening. Remove the cap cover from the module using flathead screwdriver and set to the side. Route electrical wires through any of the knockouts on the junction box and splice in accordance to local regulations. For TRIAC or ELV dimming, tap off unused control wires. Pass junction box through the ceiling collar, allowing the flex and cover to hang down through the opening. Remove the cap cover from the module using flathead screwdriver and set to the side. Attach the quick connect wires from remodel cover to the quick connect on the module. Align and connect the remodel housing cover to the module. Secure the cover to the module by tightening the factory installed screw. Place the cap cover set aside from the module onto the top of the housing cap. Align trim onto the module and turn clockwise until secure. Place the module into the ceiling opening. Press the trim to be flush with the ceiling. The X-Series Remodel Housing can also utilize our adjustable modules. To swap from fixed to adjustable, lower the trim and module from the ceiling. Remove the cap cover from the housing using a flathead screwdriver and set aside. Loosen the factory installed screw on the cover and remove the downlight module. Remove the cap cover from the adjustable module using a flathead screwdriver and set aside. Attach the quick connect wires from the remodel cover to the adjustable module. Align and connect remodel housing cover onto the module. Secure the cover to the module by tightening the factory installed screw. Place the cap cover set aside from the module onto the housing cap. Ensure the module tilt is at 0 degrees and place the module into the ceiling opening. Push up until retaining tabs click and engage with the collar. The X-Series module is designed to rotate 360 degrees and tilt 35 degrees. To rotate, flip the gray rotation lever and rotate. To tilt the module, push on the tilting slider and set to the desired angle, and lock the gray rotation lever to secure the module position. For trim installation, align the orange painted indicators on the module and trim. Push the trim into the module until secure. As always, the X-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. The X-Series, our high-performance product offering,